I should have left that shit running. Should just let it run. Excuse me. Damn. Damn. Damn it. Oh man, damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Nice. I had a feeling this move was gonna happen. I just had a feeling that it was gonna happen. Man. Mm.
Connection lost.
Mm. I think this was my same exact position from yesterday. If I'm not mistaken. This was probably, yeah, this is my same exact position from yesterday. My bias is definitely short today. I definitely have a short bias. Mm, of course. Of course, dude. All right. Mm. Mm. Man, that's not even fair, man. They literally missed me by a couple of points. On the scaling, missed me by a couple of points, which is unfortunate. Mm. Mm. I kind of want to short the ES as well, but I'm just going to stick to the Nasdaq for right now. Mm. Mm. You know what? Bump it, dude. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Mm. 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 I guess I guess. Well. All right, man. Yeah, I guess I should have shorted the ES as well. Mm. I have a very strong bear bias today. It is strong. It is a strong bias today. I think we see that down day today. I hate the fact that it missed my scaling, man. I hate that. Man. Yeah, it could be price could be trying to come back down into this area right here where it broke out at. It's trying to come back down into this area right here. So, um, yeah, I guess I mean it could go continue to go higher, but I think the bear has got this now because it's going to be a high that they're going to probably want to protect. I don't want to scale in all the way down here because I've already learned my lesson about doing that. Mm. 'Kay. I should have took that short on the ES. I should have took a short. I should have took a short on ES. Mm, 537. Mm. Oh, man. Ugh. If we see a break of structure here on the ES, I'm gonna short the retest of 908. If we see a break below that level, I'm going to short the retest on that one. It's obvious that the bears are in control. It's just that the bulls are still buying this up. I mean, you can't blame them, but it's definitely the bears that are in control right now. So once I see this break of structure, I'm going to short the retest. We could see a bounce at 9 o'clock. We all know that the 9 o'clock algo it favors the bullish side. We could see a pump, but overall, my bias is bearish today. It looks like there's some liquidity down there at 530. That 530 area back up into this range. I mean, it's a good range for them to try to bounce it. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we do see a bounce in this range. Price will probably come back up and retest the bottom of this range for sure. I won't be surprised if that happens. But eventually, the market is going to have to come back down to this range. Eventually, it's going to. We don't know if that's going to happen today, tomorrow. It's definitely going to happen, obviously, before OPEX for sure. If the market is long and we have OPEX this weekend, that means a lot of people are going to have to, sell out of their positions, and we could see, a rebalance to the downside. Or my main concern is that the market is trying to possibly get up here to 725. I mean, if I see price trade above this double top, I mean, I'll just look for the next trading opportunity. Because honestly, price shouldn't be trading above this double top if the bulls regain control somehow. So just gonna keep my close eye on this double top right here. Keep a close eye on this double top. But overall, the bears are definitely in control right now. Hopefully, they just don't give it up. Mm, mm. I'm debating if I should short this. Well, I guess I should have. I was given an opportunity to come get it up, to get it here at 12. It's given an opportunity because now that's definitely bearish on the ES. That's definitely bearish. That's definitely bearish on the ES. Mm. And I'm not willing to give up 4 points. That's a lot of points on the ES. That's a lot of points to give up on her. Mm, mm, mm. Let me just look at the ES and see. Because my only concern with trying to short the ES is that you got a whole bunch of sellers here at 16. And that's my only concern with trying to short the ES is that she's trying to get up here. I mean, there's a lot of sellers here at 12. I mean, there's a whole wall right here between 15 and 12. So there's a bunch of sellers right here. I mean, there's a whole block of sellers like right here. Mm. Oh. Mm. Yeah, that's so crazy, man. Mm. Mm. Oh shit. Okay. All right. All right. So actually, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna try to take the short here. Hold on. Let me look at this real quick because I just noticed that we had a break. Oh, actually, no. I'm gonna wait until this. I'm gonna wait until this algo. I'm waiting until the algo's done. We had a break of structure here. We had a break of structure to the downside right there, and that's why they're coming right here and trying to sell it. That's why they're trying to sell it. Damn it. Damn. I should have just took it. I don't know what's holding me back with this ES trade. I've been given opportunity after opportunity to short this thing. I've been given plenty of opportunities to short this market on the ES. It's just the ES can just be tricky sometimes. Yeah. I mean, we saw that break of structure right here. And this is why they're coming in and they're selling it. But I just have a hard time trusting the bears at the moment. That's it. Because I'm thinking that maybe the market wants to come back up here to 16, 18, and ultimately I think the market wants to come up here to 20. But that's the candle right there. That's the candles that the bears need right there. They need that candle. The bears are going to short that now. So if given the opportunity, I short the retest of that. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to sit on my hands on this ES trade until a better position, until something better pops up. I mean, I was given plenty of opportunity to short it. I just didn't trust it. So what's up, Nightfart? I was given plenty of opportunities to short it. I mean, she gave me literally about 3 or 4 chances to short it at the top. Literally 1, 2, and then even a stop, a liquidity run right here. Could have took that. Okay. Well, dude, oh my God. All right, so we'll see what happens in the next 2 minutes. We'll see what happens. And we don't got any major news. We don't have any major news for this entire week. Oh my God, look at that ES trade. No, 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 no. Look at that ES trade. No. Damn, I should have took it. I should have took it. Should have took it. Let's see what happens here at this retest. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to sit on my hands with this ES trade. I would have to look for the long. I would have to look for the long on this ES trade. Because I would have to ask myself, well, the market, I mean, the market could get down here, back up into this area. But obviously, I would rather be long, short up here. Every point matters on the ES. I mean, this trade could possibly work, but obviously I would rather be up here and have my target like literally at this low. Oh, that sucks, man. The Nasdaq is somewhat lagging a little bit. The bulls on the Nasdaq are just not playing at the moment. Mm. I'm trying. I don't want to. I want to add to this position. I want to add to it. It's unfortunate that this thing didn't, scale me in while, all the way up here. Um, yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to, just gonna have to accept this one. Gonna have to accept this one that I didn't get filled on this for whatever reason. Market chose not to fill me on this for whatever reason. And I missed that ES trade, just second guessing myself instead of just, seeing the price action and taking it. I mean, if I took this at 13, I mean, I guess it would have been 3 points away from a 10-point target, but at the same time, we'll see what happens because technically this is a double top. Technically, this is a double top. This is a break of structure. And could be them trying to retest right here or short. Let me look at the DOM. Let's look at the DOM real quick. I mean, they got people buying here. You know what? Let's see what they do here at 12. Let's see. Let me look at the book map for ES real quick. Just look at it. Hmm. Hey, what's up? Good morning, seeing look. He said 626 pivot strong either way. 626. Yeah, I agree. Because that's exactly where they bounce in. If you get a breakage structure underneath that, we're definitely going down. But the same thing could be said to the upside as well. So I definitely agree with that. But yeah, the ES does look like it wants to break. Yeah, I really don't know why I'm being so hesitant on this ES trade. I really don't. My gut instincts, I mean, it's obviously it told me to short it up here. But if I'm not going to short it up here, it's going to be harder to short it down here. It does look like it's going to break. I guess my concern with this ES short is that I won't have enough room to get my target hit. Because my target would literally be right here. I mean, if I were to get into it right, well, if I got into it at 11, my target would have been like down here, which I mean, that could have got hit. But I mean, with the, at least with the ES, this is obviously a short on the ES. You got price about to close underneath the 21 EMA. So that's going to excite a lot of bears to short this. All right, I'm just not trying to get. Okay. Yeah, they're selling it right there. Mm, okay. I mean, at this point, the price action is just playing with everybody. I mean, first it's saying that, oh, the bulls are in control. I mean, oh no, the structure is bearish. It's for sure bearish. But the market is making it feel like it could flip bullish at any moment. Mm. Man, Nasdaq, that was nasty. That was nasty what you did. That was nasty. That was absolutely nasty. I could have been in this 6 contracts, 7 contracts. That was nasty. So you're short of 626 hold. Shit, I'm thinking that as long as the bulls don't find support in this range, if the bears can tear through this range, then yeah, the shorts are definitely good. Oh, look at that. Oh my, look at that ES short. No, look at that ES short. I would have been done for the day on that ES short. I would have been done. I would have been done. Oh man. Okay, so Obviously, a retest of this level right here, highly probable trade right here. Highly probable trade at 908 to 11. Highly probable for that short. Yeah, I was literally fighting demons with this trade. I have no clue why. I was telling myself, short it, short it. I mean, I even saw like that's why kind of like that fear of loss will kind of get into the way of a good trade. I mean, it's clear as day. It's just that I just did not trust in the bears. But I mean, obviously in hindsight, we had a breaker structure to the downside. And the bears came in and they sold the retest. They sold the retest. I mean, they're not done yet. This is not a finished rotation. You got a short, but the rotation is not finished. They need to get back into this range right here. But the Bulls are definitely making it. The Bulls are definitely making it hard to make these kind of decisions. Is making it challenging to make these kind of decisions. Because of the amount of aggression that we're seeing from the Bulls. Okay. Well, unfortunately for me, I wasn't able to capitalize on a scale in. I read the market right, so I mean, I'm not upset about that. It's just I'm upset that I left 3 contracts on the table because the market didn't fill me. I don't know why. It looked like it touched it. No, it missed me by a point actually. Yeah, it missed me like by 3 ticks to a point. Let me make sure that make sure because I'll kind of be pissed about that too. Um, we'll see what happens around that area. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Damn. Shit. I'm sitting here crying. At least I'm in a position. Damn, you didn't get filled. Well, shit. I mean, if it goes back up to 14, then that means it's going up to 20. I mean, at this point, the best entry would be at the. I mean, honestly, like I said, I wouldn't trust it, but the best entry would to sell this retest at 908 because if price trades past this, that means that they traded past that breaker structure. All the bears that's sitting here trying to sell it, trying to sell the retest, all their stops will get ran. all the areas that stops would get ran. So it would be either, I mean, after you get past this point, the objective will be to take out this high. That's the objective if we get past 908 and it keeps trading. So unfortunately, right now, it's highly likely if you get filled at 14, the market is going to keep going up because we already had the break of structure here. Mm. Damn, I should have just shorted this damn thing, like I said. Yeah, I mean the ES kind of on the Nasdaq. I wouldn't say that with confidence because we've seen the Nasdaq do that crap. The ES, I'm not saying that it ain't possible, but I mean you can just look at previous price action. Once the bears failed to sell that retest, stop run city, they take out the high and they go to the next level. I mean it's kind of consistent. The ES is very consistent. Once you get that breaker structure down, they fail. That means it's going up. Kind of like right here, breaker structure. They failed. They went up to the next level. They did sell it, but it just went to the next level. So it's like once I see a breaker structure, I'm just flipping. I just know that if one side of the market fails, then that means that obviously it's trying to get somewhere. Now, obviously, I mean, you got paid if you shorted the tops of these moves, obviously. But ultimately, you made this when the market did all of this. So, I mean, that's just my point. I'm not saying that it ain't possible. It's just like, well, at that point, you might as well just flip. Yeah. And then the Bears suck nowadays, man. I mean, at least I got one target filled. So, I mean, I guess I'm happy about that. Or I guess I should be happy about that. I should. But I could be up, no, $800-900 already if it just filled my damn target up there. I wonder if the Nasdaq's about to show me something. I wonder if she's about to show me. Nah, I mean, I guess we could see a bounce here, but I mean, if you're in this trade short me, I'm going to hold until these targets get hit, but this is a double bottom. So, I mean, possibly they could bounce it here. I'm just letting y'all know that now that they could bounce it here at this double bottom, but I'm going to wait until price comes back and tap into this range. Mm, 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 mm. Nah. Mm, mm, mm. So Knife Art says it just reminded me of the 470s from the other day. The sell was good, but he needed more. It was an excellent shakeout from the market. Yeah. Mm. Huh. Maybe I should take this one. We'll see. It does look the market wants to kind of. I'm gonna take this, and then I'm gonna just see if I can. Damn it. Damn it. Mm. Well, I'm not gonna make that mistake. I really want to revenge trade, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I want to revenge trade. I want to. But what I won't do is try to scale in at the bottom. But I know what I'm doing this for. I know that this is just a it's very annoying to see a trade that, you kind of saw and you kind of hesitated on. But obviously that's too far. That's too far. That would be suicide if I try to short this now. It'll be suicide. That would definitely be suicide if I tried to short this now. I mean, this has the possibility of trying to double bottom here at this low at 87. We do have the weekly VWAP. We have the weekly VWAP at 897. 897. So we got the weekly VWAP sitting right at the bottom in this range right here, which is possibly a good area where people are going to probably go long. Let's actually look at that. Let's look at that and see if people got their position sitting there around 97. Yeah, look if everybody got their positions at 99, 95. So it's highly likely that we could see a bounce around that area. I wouldn't just go long there just because, but uh I would wait for the structure to form itself and then go long. But honestly, um if they do get a long here, then that this breaker structure here at 908, we're gonna have to keep our eyes on that too, because the bears are definitely gonna come in and try to sell the retest here. They got to. They're definitely gonna try. And depending on if they're successful or not, we could see that move up back up into this range right here, which ultimately I think the market is going to eventually do. I do still got my eyes on that 920 area. If I have the opportunity to short 920, I will try to short that. I will try. I guess ain't no point crying over spilled milk, I guess, right? I didn't take the trade on the ES, so might as well, no point crying about it. We'll see. Well, there you go. I would have got my target hit. I just would have got that target hit right there. Okay. I'm gonna move mine. Hmm. I'm definitely gonna watch this area because this could be a sweep of liquidity right here. This could be a sweep of liquidity, and this could be a good long opportunity. An opportunity to go long here. You know what? I'm gonna go long. I'm a long this. I'm longing this. I don't trust the Bears for real. I'm a long it. Mm. Let me look at the ES real quick. Let me look at the ES. Mm. Man, they technically double bottom this. I'm along this. I'm longing this. Let's see what they do. Mm. Well, I guess that's what I get. I guess that's what I get. Man, look at that. Guess that's what I get. Mm. Yo, oh, what? Okay, I'm trying this, man. Mm. Yo, wow, target filled. Wow, wow, target filled. Wow, God, wow. Why? Okay, so I'm making a lot of mental mistakes today. I don't know what, 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 what's going on, man? What's going on, man? Target filled. Damn, 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 damn. Oh my God. Yo, what? Yo, what? Oh man, what is going on with me today? What is going on? Oh wow, dude. Hmm. 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 I apologize about that, guys. Ugh, wow. 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 Hmm. About what? 4? Wow, dude. Wow. 22, 15. Okay. Hmm. All right. I mean, that's it. That's it. That's it for me. All right. Damn. Damn, dude. Hmm. Yo, what? Okay. I'm damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. I'm definitely gonna long this. I think I might have missed it. I think I might have missed it. I think I might have missed it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, shit. This thing is still going down. That's that damn low. We'll see if this low will hold. We'll see if it holds. Or if this range will hold. Damn. Mm. All right, this will be my last trade for today, obviously. Yo, this thing is dropping like a rock. Damn. I might have got stopped out of the I'm almost there on the Nasdaq. Damn, this thing is dropping. Okay. All right. I'm just going to accept my fate for today. I'm going to accept it. I'm going to accept my fate for today. Yo, that's crazy, man. That is crazy. And I didn't scale in either. Okay. All right. So we'll see. Let's see if they're going to use this area to bounce it from. I mean, I kind of felt confident about the ES trade because I mean, it's only going to go so far before we get a retracement. It's only going to go so far. It's just a Nasdaq that just can keep dumping and then recorrect afterwards. So we'll see. I have no clue what the hell was going on today. Like everything was just off today. Everything for whatever reason was off. Like nothing. I was being hesitant about my positions. I got all my targets filled. Got If I left them alone, they all would have got filled if I left it alone. I missed my scaling twice. It's like, dude, what the hell is going on, dude? God damn. I just lost all that money. Now I gotta make it back. Mm. Yeah, I don't know what the hell just happened, man. I don't know what the hell just happened. Nice one, Bears. Nice one. I said the Bears definitely came back with a vengeance. They definitely did. They definitely came back with a vengeance. Here's something that I will say that I did good today before the stream. I was preparing myself to go long. Like I was preparing myself to go for a long position. But something told me that no, don't do that. Today is just not for the longs. And just to focus on shorts. I see why today was for the shorts. Or at least I see why I had that gut feeling to just focus on shorts. Because these bears came with a freaking vengeance. What a freaking vengeance. I mean, just take this off. Ain't no point. Never got filled. Mm. I mean, obviously, this is a good area for the longs. You can see that this is the first retest of that breakout to the upside. So that's why I was looking to go long somewhere in this area. But my only concern is this little breaker structure right here that they have at 405. Um, the way that price kind of moved away from this area kind of tells me that the bulls are going to keep buying it, that we could possibly get up into this range right here. I don't know if we get a full retracement back up into this range, but this range right here is highly probable to happen today. It is highly probable. Not so much this range, but it could happen. My targets on the ES, I mean, as long as the ES holds this area, I should be good. I should be good because that's just price coming back up into this area right here, this range. So if it holds, I should be good. If not, then I'm gonna have to come back stronger tonight. Man, that's heartbreaking. That's heartbreaking. All right, man. Yo, yo, man, look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that. You know what's going to be poetic justice? The poetic justice is that at the end of the day, I'm going to end up exactly, well, I wouldn't say exactly, but the same profit target that I should have just been done with. That would be poetic justice. I just had to make $700-800 just to come out of a drawdown, and now I have to make $600-700 to hit my daily goal. What a poetic justice that is. Hmm. I will say that what obviously fueled this is, I mean, all those, little execution errors. I mean, I could have had a lot more money on the table. And obviously, I felt that I lost something. That's how I obviously felt, that I lost something. And I went on mini tilt. Um, it was first the scale in. I mean, obviously, I was right in my bias. I took the target too early, saw that the guy hit. I closed the position thinking that, oh man, the Bulls might just come back in and take it higher before it takes it lower. So I closed my entire position just to get my target hit anyway. And then I kind of revenge trade. Well, I did revenge trade, went long. Market continued to drop. Got emotionally hijacked in that moment. And again, it's just another example of why emotions have no place in the market. That's why having a plan is the only way. And just allowing the plan to play out, because I would have got my targets hit. Plus, I would have left money on the table. Mm. I will be very cautious when price gets up here to 485. I will be very cautious at that level. Yeah, wouldn't that be freaking poetic justice right there, dude? Uh, so I will always enter when the market is going down. I know that's the secret that no one talks about. That is definitely the secret nobody talks about. A lot of people buy as it goes high, but you're supposed to sell as it goes high, and you're supposed to buy as it goes lower. I didn't DCA into this one. I went my full size right here at 370. Yeah, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, that kind of hurts my feelings, man. I had to make 12. I made $1,700 today. Well, I mean, well, these profits aren't realized yet, but I had to make all that money back just to get to where. So I'm gonna leave this Nasdaq trade running, but I'm gonna look at this ES trade. I had to make all that money back because of a stupid execution error. Close this trade on the ES. I'm just gonna let this Nasdaq trade finish out. I'm already at max daily profit already. I should close it, but I'm not gonna lie. I'm halfway tilt right now. Obviously, that should be obvious right now. So at this point, I kind of want my targets. I'm just upset with myself. Marley at maximum daily profit. Should just follow my rules. Mm. Mm. Okay. You say you think we're going to hit 260? 260 is possible for sure. 260 is definitely a possibility. Especially if the bulls or the bears can hold price at this range and continue to reject price down. Yeah, that's definitely a possibility. Okay. Yeah. Let's see what they do here at this. I mean, if they reject it, I mean, honestly, if they break 325, then that's not good news for the Bulls. That's definitely not good news for the Bulls. Definitely not. They kind of need to hold this. They need to hold this range. Hmm. You said, hold on. You said you got stopped out one tick on yourself. Man, I mean, they're gonna. We'll see. That might have been a good thing in disguise. Well, actually, I really don't know how you trade. I don't know if you try to go for smaller targets or bigger targets. Uh, but they might be trying to protect this low at 331 now. We'll see. We'll see if they're trying to do that. I mean, if they don't find support at this range, then that's not good news for the Bear or for the Bulls. That's not good news. We did trade through like 5 support levels though. One, two, three, four, about 4 levels. So they're gonna have to kind of hold this. We do got support around 300. At least so far, they're holding 300. You can see that they're still buying this in this area because we had that big move up back into this range once price got down here. So that kind of gives me hope, or not hope, but that kind of tells me that the Bulls are probably still in control on this, but they're definitely going to have to protect that low down there. Of course, dude. I don't know what. I was in the wrong damn strategy. No, I was in the wrong strategy. No. What is going on with my execution today? And that's what I'm talking about. That self-sabotaging crap that I do, man. Ah, man. Mm. All right, so let's see. Actually, let me look at book map real quick. Let me look at it. Okay. Let me get out of this account. I've already made maximum daily profit. If I want to take this trade, I need to take it in another account. Hmm. Okay. I mean, that's kind of obvious that that might try to double bottom. We got a strong move down. They're going to probably want to come back down here and retest that low on the ES potentially. Yeah, it's highly likely that they're going to want to try to retest that low. Yeah, that might not even be the finished rotation right there. That might not even be it right there. And this could potentially be it right here. Mm. Because there's, I mean, there's no. Oh crap! There it is right there. I was like, dude, where the hell is it at? Right, right there. Oh, that's not even. That's worse. You think it's gonna drop an additional 150 points? Yeah, that is a high risk short for sure. That is definitely a high risk short because the ES is is finding support. It's a strong low on the ES. They made a strong low on the ES. That's why I'm thinking about taking this long right here. Mm, tired of thinking. Start doing that. If I do 88, man, at least probably get a retest of 904. Mm, look at the NQ. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what they do here at this 23% at 345 ish. Because 260, I mean, this would be a fib to fib move, a golden zone, the golden zone move down here at 260 for sure. But that will require the bulls to break below 331. That's, I mean, well, not the bulls. That would require the bears to break below this low. And I don't know if they got it in them. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. I mean, they're finding support at this range right here. Mm. And the ES is like it's holding it. You know what, man? I'm just gonna take it. Bulls look like they're gonna hold this. Actually, no, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, man. 93. I mean, this is 10 points right here. This is 10 points. The finding support here at this range on the Nasdaq. You say you had to take it. I mean, as long as you're protecting yourself. As long as you're protecting yourself, man. Because yeah, the bears are coming with a force right now. They're definitely trying to sell this market down. I mean, they've already sold it down, obviously. They've already sold it. They're just trying to finish their rotation, which I mean, I don't know if they got it in them. That's just my thing. I just don't know if they got it in them. They're gonna have to show me. And this is why I kind of hate when the market does this. This is what I hate when the bulls don't allow the bears to finish their rotation because this is what we get. We get this big drop down and you don't know when it's coming. Damn, man, shit. If we get to move all the way back to 100, that'd be crazy, yo. That'd be crazy. Um, well, 134. I guess that wouldn't be that too. That wouldn't be that crazy. We did have a breakout in this area right here. We did have a breakout, and price has been trending up ever since that breakout. So yeah, yeah. Like I'm saying, they're finding support here. Mm, yeah, they're finding support at that range. I might just take this long right here. All right. All right. Okay. I'm not taking any more trades. I have no clue why I'm doubting myself right now. I really don't know why I'm doubting my analysis right now. I don't know. I don't know if subconsciously I'm trying to self-sabotage today. It's obviously I'm trying to self-sabotage. I haven't been wrong. It's just my execution has been off. Yeah, I don't know why I'm second guessing myself right now. Okay. Okay. This is what I'm gonna do. Wrong strategy. I'm going long here, man. I'm going long. Gonna follow the strategy. I'm going long. I'm gonna add one more. Mm. And we'll see. Yeah, I definitely agree. I definitely agree. It's definitely going to be this range right here that's going to be the deciding factor for the Bulls and the Bears. So it really depends on what they do in this range. Obviously, my bias is going to be long. So if the Bulls can reject it in this range, either at the bottom of it or at the top, if we get a break above, then it's kind of over for the Bears at that point. I mean, they can knock it down, but this is a well enough deep pullback for all the passive Bears or the passive Bulls that's been waiting for this pullback. That's a good of enough pullback right here. It's a hell of a good enough pullback. And we got earnings season next week. We got OPEX this Friday. That's a good pullback for passive Bulls. And the Bears are going to have to step up here. They're going to have to step up at this range. Okay. So there's definitely a wall at 450 on the Nasdaq on Bookmap. There's a wall right here. So as I said, this is going to be the line in the sand for the Bears. They got to defend this. They got to. And I think the same thing goes for the ES as well. I'm looking at the ES chart, and 95 is going to be the line in the sand for the Bulls or for the Bears on the ES. This is going to be the line in the sand right here. Yeah, honestly, I really don't even remember what my entry would have been if I would have took it long on the ES. I think I was trying to go long here at this little neckline. I think that's where I was trying to go long. No, I mean that's exactly right, Knife Art. I mean, trading the middle is literally asking to become liquidity. That's why I wait for price to trade underneath the range. I would never really, I would You would rarely see me start a position here if price has already traveled underneath the range. I would never do that. That's asking to become a liquidity donation to the market, literally asking to become a liquidity donation. Because obviously this is the middle ground right here, at least for right now. This is the middle ground. We got the breaker structure. The bears has already tried selling it here. The bears have already tried selling it. We got a little funky two-legged pullback into an area of support here. Yeah, price gets back up here to I definitely expect for full force bears. Full force. I definitely expect that here. I definitely expect full force bears to show up right there. And we'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh, we got news in 10 minutes. Oh yeah, we got the 3-month and the 6-month bill auction in the next 10 minutes. And we have Fed Dolly speaking as well. We definitely that news at 1 o'clock is definitely going to be a market mover. That monthly budget statement for the month of August. It basically shows, I mean, we already know that we're already in a deficit, so but I guess people still want the data anyway. Um yeah. Oh yeah. Man, dude, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. That kind of Kind of in the same area. All right. Hmm. You know what? That is looking like a really good long opportunity on the ES, but I'm not going to do it. Especially if they can hold this. If they can hold these EMAs right here, that's definitely a good trade. If they can hold it, you kind of just need a strong close above this EMA, and that will kind of be the confirmation. But if the bears break and they close underneath this EMA, that's going to signal more selling pressure from the bears. That's going to signal. So yeah, it can definitely go either way right now. Okay. Hmm. I wonder if this is the making of a head and shoulders pattern right here, and a potential double bottom somewhere in this area. I wonder. The last thing the bulls want is for the bears to find resistance here at this area, and we get a break below these lows. That's the last thing the bulls want. The bulls are going to have to defend this area because of all the buy stops that's sitting under here. And if the market can tap into this area, knife art is going to get his 260 target, and we could possibly see that move down to 100. The reason why I'm saying 100 is because of the support that's down here. The bulls found support in this little area right here. It's like 195, 195-ish, 195, 160-ish. So yeah, that's the last thing the bulls want. We do got some support here at 260. In that 260 area, we do got some support right here too. Yeah, that's the target that Knife Art was talking about. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see if the market tries to come down there and tap on that. We'll see. All right, so the news is coming out in 3 minutes. We'll see how the market reacts to it. Oh. Let's see. Let's see if the Bulls or the Bears are gonna get trapped in this. That's probably what I should have did. Ain't no point in crying over spilled milk though. That shit just went. All right, let's see. See what the market does here. Yeah, I don't know why they dropped it like that. Well, mm, I guess if you're in the market for a new iPad mini, Apple is selling them for $500 for a 120 gig Apple iPad mini. So if you're in the market for one, the fear index right now is extreme greed right now. I mean, these data points just came out. So I mean, unless the market was reacting to this beforehand, I mean, it's saying that the September 3-year expectation inflation is 2.7% versus 2.5% in August. So my understanding on, the language around these, these percentages, supposedly they're not percentages in the traditional sense. I mean, even how you're supposed to say it is different. And I'm not going to sit here and pretend like I understand what it means, but supposedly, I mean, how do I want to say this? How bad or good something is hidden behind percentages. To the layman, seeing that, oh, I mean, 2.7% versus a 2.5%, that's not a big deal. That's only a 2.2%. But that's not how these things are calculated. This is big. This is really big because how you're supposed to read this is 2.7%. And it's over 0.2% over the expectation. And as I was kind of doing research, I mean, for some reason, even if the definitions are vague for whatever reason they are. But what I do know is that this just hides how bad things are. So people won't begin to panic. And that's why if something is over, like if this was like CPI, because I mean, did we get that drop on CPI? I don't think so. So let's just say the expectation for CPI was 2.7. Even if it came, or 2.5, even if it came in at 2.6, we still would have got a massive dump. Because anything above expectation is not seen as a good thing. It's like the straw that broke the camel's back. If that kind of makes sense. I mean, you got all this weight on the camel, and just that one straw, it was just too much. It couldn't handle that extra straw. And that's how you're supposed to see these little percentages as well. Or at least that's how I understand them at the moment. So I don't know if the market was kind of reacting to that, because this was obviously a sell stop down to the downside, but there was no price action at all, which was kind of, because it went through 3 levels without price action. It just went straight through them. But okay. All right, guys. I have to end it here. I gotta hurry up. Well, not hurry up, but I gotta get ready for this meeting. Um, I will say that I hate my execution today. We we are profitable today. I had to work extra hard to get that money back. And I almost fell victim to kind of revenge trading today. So I'm not too proud about my execution today. I'll definitely come back in tonight, better, stronger, all that. And we'll just see what the price action has done, and we'll just move on from there. With that said, peace out, everybody.